Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best hot tub covers on Amazon. A hot tub can be a wonderful place to relax and enjoy yourself as you are pampered by the bubbles in warm water. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Ultcover Waterproof Hot Tub Cover. This cover has been crafted with breathability in mind. The structured air vents on 2 of the sides help the moisture to get out. They also help the wind to flow through should it get too strong. This helps to keep the cover in place even in the harshest conditions. The cover is also UV resistant, waterproof, and durable. The seams are taped to give extra strength and protect them. The vinyl and polyester are stored and will hold up against rain, hail, snow, and more. This is a great cover for someone who has a square hot tub and wants something which will protect for a low price. What we like about it: square, waterproof, breathable, compatible with most hot tubs. Number 2. The Cover Guide Deluxe. The Cover Guide Deluxe hot tub cover is backed by many loyal customers. You only have to check out some of the reviews to see how good a cover this is. Once you place your order, the Cover Guide customer service team will call you and take all the details needed to make a custom-fitting cover. With over 30 years of experience, the cover will fit like a glove when you place it on your tub. These covers have high-density foam which is reinforced. The heavy-duty deluxe hot tub covers are perfect for colder climates where there is a lot of snow. The cover will hold up under a lot of snow, and you could even have children or animals on top, and the cover will not break. The lockable tie-downs also mean that you can have peace of mind when young children are around. What we like about it: custom-made, heavy-duty, great fit, easy to use and easy to install, safety locks. Number 3. CoverMate Square. This soft hot tub cover is made from 12-gauge vinyl. The vinyl is thick, which means that your hot tub is going to be protected, the heat is going to be kept in, and the elements are going to be kept out. The polyester lining adds a lot of strength to the hot tub cover, and it will not bend under the strain of any moisture or debris on the top. The elastic hem also ensures that you get a tight fit which will keep as much heat in as possible. This is another affordable cover on our list, and one which I would recommend to anyone who lives in a climate that is the same year-round. What we like about it: square, 2-year warranty, affordable, compatible with most hot tubs. Number 4. Bay & Nice Cover. This cover comes with a high price tag for a reason: the thickness. If you want a thinner cover, then this company will supply one, but if you want the best cover in terms of protection and insulation, then this is the product for you. At 6 inches thick, this cover is the cover that will save you money. The extra insulation helps to keep the heat in and the elements out. With so much insulation, your water is going to stay hot, meaning that you are going to spend less money keeping your water hot and more money on the refreshing drinks you are going to enjoy in your hot tub. There is nothing worse than a cover that does not fit and you have to send it back and order a new one. If you do get your cover and are not happy with it at some point, then you have a 5-year warranty that covers you, and the company has a great track record of great customer service. What we like about it: thick material, good insulation, 5-year warranty, easy to use and easy to install, compatible with most hot tubs. Number 5. Classic Accessories. The design is fashionable, the materials are durable, and the look is classic. This veranda covers have been built for strength. The high-density stitching makes the cover durable, and the fabric will not come apart unless you try to break it. The interior bound seams help to add some strength to the cover, while the padded handles add some much-needed comfort. What we like about it: square cover, weather protection, affordable and help with energy efficiency. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.